What's up, guys? Today we are testing Diet Coke. Let's get to it. All right, let's switch it up and do ketones first. .1, awesome. We're doing good today. I should have opened that bottle beforehand. .86. There's our starting point. This will definitely be known as the Diet Coke episode. I have been asked to do this multiple times, and I kind of just been avoiding it because I don't drink soda. Definitely don't drink diet soda, and not the hugest fan of Coke, but let's just test it. Couldn't find Jason though, sadly. Taste test time. It's not bad. All right, I'm gonna give myself like 5 minutes to drink this or so. I don't want to just crush that. It's carbonated. That would be hard to just crush, if you know what I mean. But as soon as I finish this, I'll do 30 minutes from drinking it, and then we'll do an hour from drinking it, and then obviously 2 hours. And I'll probably be mad at that point because I'm really starving. Because remember, we're doing keto. You should be starting your day with fats and ending them with fats. So on this testing thing, I'm going to start doing it every other day instead of testing one a day. All right, so I don't have a whole lot of time. Oh. Let's do ketones first. Stayed the same at ketones. See what blood looks like. Like glucose, my bad. Damn. .88, sorry guys. We have now hit the hour mark. Again, we're going to start with ketones. Alright, so we've been at 2.1 the whole time. .3 actually rose 0.2. That's crazy. It's almost like it didn't even break our fast. I'm gonna have to set the phone down. Earlier when I had issues, it was because blood was actually on a strip from my finger. So, hindsight 2020, I should have brought my little Gorilla Pod. Wow, our blood glucose has went down tremendously. All right, so I'll be back in an hour to see where we're at. Sorry for the videos being a little bit jumpy and kind of all over the place. I'm at work trying to get some things handled and situated out, and also trying to stay close to the time frame of when we're doing the testing. With me having issues with the testing strips earlier, it was because my blood was on the testing strip when I poked it in. So it was having errors because of that, and I was like leaking everywhere. So for now on, I'll make sure and get one. I'll bring my little Joby Gorilla Pod and do it that way. That way the video's not like all shaky and all over the place, and we don't have this issue that I keep running into. So sorry for that. Sorry for all the shakiness and stuff, but we're currently just waiting to hit the 2-hour mark to test and see where we're at. I don't feel like crap anymore, thankfully. But our ketones have raised 0.2 and our blood glucose has dropped like 12 points. What is that? Time for the final conclusion. It has been 2 hours and 10 minutes approximately. Hopefully that'll let me bleed a little bit here. Let me set the phone down. 1.9. So we dropped down a little bit from, remember we started at 2.1, went up to 2.3. I'm going to set down the phone and pump out a little bit more blood. .78, so our blood glucose has went down and stayed down, really. All right, so my final conclusion on Diet Coke. It did not mess up our ketones at all. Actually, our ketones just kept going up, which is a great thing. And usually I only see that when I'm fasting, so that's kind of odd. But it actually dropped my glucose levels as well. So, hey man, that's a double benefit. So if you drink Diet Coke, and that's something that you can't live without, it's looking like it's keto friendly to me, so I'm sure that's good news to some of you guys. Some people probably don't even care, but again, Diet Coke's keto friendly. Who would have thought, right? Till the next one, keep it keto.